This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Molly Stone. Beautifully updated, turnkey, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa features open courtyard perfect for entertaining, gardening and grilling. Kitchen outfitted with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Volume ceilings. Master bedroom suite features barn doors. Updated vanities, mirrors and light fixtures in both bathrooms. Roof replaced and amp, exterior painted in 2020. Heritage Ridge offers community pool, clubhouse and tennis courts. Golf memberships available. Pets, 1 pet not to exceed 20 pounds at maturity or 20 inches in height. Vehicles, no truck, pickup truck, trailer, motorcycle, moped, tractor, boat or commercial vehicle, or loud or noisy vehicle, machine or device may be stored or parked outest in approved garage. Parking, due to the limited number of parking spaces, vehicles are limited to 2 per unit. Leasing, leased/rentals are limited to 2 per year, for a minimum of 3 months each. For more information, review the details below.